Hey guys, just dropping in to give you a quick update on what I've been working on with my courses and my website. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed or a chance to enter our next giveaway. As you guys know, I haven't been putting out much content because I've been so busy working on courses and adding to my website. I have gotten several requests about doing these courses, so now I am excited to present them to you. I have the options basic course and a technical analysis course. Fun fact, I worked on these courses in 3 countries. I started working on them in Germany, then I flew to Spain and worked on them there, and then I flew to Croatia and continued to work on them. So these courses were made with love while I was traveling around Europe. Anyways, I'm going to go over the 2 courses I have so far. Next, I'll be working on a day trading and swing trading course. What I have now is the options basics course and the technical analysis course. And the options basics course covers the most basic foundational knowledge you will need for trading options. The technical analysis course covers chart reading, candlesticks, indicators, identifying trends, support and resistance, and so much more. But the big thing about the technical analysis course is I show you how to set up the custom watch list column and the scan I use to find trades. So if you haven't been on the website, definitely check it out. As noted in my previous video, I have multiple resources to assist you with your trading, including a lot of my custom scripts that I use now and my workspace if you're interested in just having your workspace set up like mine. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.